Strawberries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offer numerous health benefits. Here are some of the ways that strawberries can support your health and well-being in daily life. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants may also help reduce inflammation in the body. 2. High in vitamin C. Just 1 cup of strawberries contains more than 100% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. This important nutrient is essential for a healthy immune system, and it can also support skin health and wound healing. 3. Good for heart health. Strawberries contain compounds called polyphenols, which may help lower your risk of heart disease. They may also help improve blood sugar control and reduce inflammation, both of which can contribute to heart health. 4. May support weight loss. Strawberries are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied while consuming fewer calories overall. Including strawberries in your diet may help support weight loss or weight maintenance goals. 5. Supportive of brain health. Some research suggests that the polyphenols in strawberries may help improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Overall, strawberries are a delicious and nutritious addition to a healthy diet. They are versatile and can be enjoyed in many different ways, such as in smoothies, on top of yogurt or oatmeal, or simply eaten fresh as a snack.